Hi, this is Doris Dike coming to you from Dike Law Group, and I want to talk about healthcare compliance. I always say that compliance is the bedrock of every healthcare business. I mean, literally. You've got state, you've got federal, you've got licensing laws, you've got just so many laws that you've got to think about when you're trying to start a healthcare business. Now, when you're thinking about starting a healthcare business, depending on what stage you are, if you've already started this business and you're in your groove, it's important that you have a detailed compliance plan for your business, whether you're taking insurance or not. Why do I say this? Because a lot of people think that certain healthcare laws are not applicable to them because they're not taking insurance, and that is simply not true. So, if you are seeing patients, you need to be in compliance with some rules or regulations. That's just the way it is. You've got HIPAA, you've got the anti-kickback law, you've got the Stark laws, you've got so many CMS rules and regulations regarding your healthcare business. So there's a lot to think about. So when I say it's important to partner with a healthcare attorney, that person knows those regulations that are necessary for your business. That person is thinking about things that you wouldn't even come to your mind. So if you already have a healthcare business established and you don't have a solid healthcare compliance plan in place, and I'm not just talking about clinical compliance, I'm talking about regulatory compliance, it's time to think about doing that. First, I would say, look at the physician contracts that you might have for your practice. If you've got physicians practicing in your business, make sure those contracts are fair market value. If the market value is too high or too low, you've got a big problem. If you've got other providers working with the physician, make sure that those agreements are also in compliance with state and federal laws, because you don't only have federal anti-kickback laws and federal Stark laws, but you have state anti-kickback laws as well. So there's a lot to consider when you're working with providers in your healthcare business. Even still, if you're working with techs for your healthcare business, make sure that the agreements are in place. If there are outside tech organizations, make sure the agreements cannot be construed to offer referrals to those techs. Additionally, make sure that you have the adequate training for the techs that you have working in your organization. If CMS has a regulation around it, make sure that you've got a policy in place that supports what CMS is saying. It's only your business, and it could be your license if you're a practitioner. So if you got a healthcare business and you're wanting to sleep better at night because your business is functioning the right way, or you don't want a state regulator at your door, give us a call. We'd be glad to help. Thanks. Bye.